16 Amazing Health Benefits of Ginseng Tea. Have you always been interested in taking different types of teas? Then perhaps you have already tried ginseng. There are some people who reach for their tea in the morning instead of coffee, and this is okay because some teas can give the energy boost that people need throughout the day. Ginseng tea comes from the perennial plant with fleshy roots called ginseng that grows in northern China. It can also be found in Korea and Siberia. The one found in Siberia, though, is said to be not the original type of ginseng. Rather, it is considered to be an adaptogenic herb. This type of plant can usually grow in regions that are cold. Classifications of ginseng. There are different classifications of ginseng that should be noted, such as the following. 1. Red ginseng. This is known to be a form of Panax ginseng. In order to prepare this ginseng, this is first peeled and then steamed at a standard boiling temperature. It is sun-dried afterwards. 2. White ginseng. This is better known as the type of ginseng found in America. This is prepared and dried without heating. 3. Fresh ginseng. This is the raw ginseng that can be found in various areas. 4. Wild ginseng. This is the rarest form of ginseng and is usually the most expensive because of the high demands. The different ginseng tea that you can find in the market will all differ. Although the most common ginseng tea may be made out of wild ginseng. Now that you know a few details about it, aren't you curious to know more? What causes ginseng tea to be beneficial? There are different components that are found in ginseng tea that can make it effective in providing the benefits that you need. Some of these healing elements are the following. Ginsenosides. These are compounds that are responsible for the healing properties of the ginseng root. This is very effective in penetrating the cells and reducing the amount of stress found there. Saffron. This is a well-known ingredient in certain food products, but saffron found in ginseng tea can be effective in making any person more energetic than usual. Panaquilon. This can be effective for the endocrine system. 16 Health Benefits of Ginseng Tea. Now that you know some of the components that can make it effective, you have to know what ginseng tea is good for. Here are some of the benefits that you can expect to get. 1. It can help relieve menstrual issues in women. Women normally get their period once a month or sometimes every 28 to 33 days. While some women go through their menstruation without too much issues, there are also some women who suffer from the pain so bad that they are unable to go to work or do anything for a certain period of time. The intake of ginseng tea can prevent this from happening. Ginseng has soothing and cooling effects that can ease the stress of the vaginal muscles and eventually get rid of discomfort during menstruation. The norm now is you will try your best to appear younger than your actual age. There are a lot of treatments that you can take that are offered by various clinics, but these treatments usually require a lot of money. If you need to follow a certain budget, you can constantly drink ginseng tea, as this will help fight the signs of premature skin aging. At the same time, you can also help get rid of free radicals that may do a lot of harm to the body. It can make your respiratory system stronger. It is hard whenever you have colds. You can barely breathe and you will be sniffing all the time. It can be embarrassing and frustrating when you are in a room full of people and you have to blow your nose. You can always make your respiratory system stronger by taking in ginseng tea. It can help clear your sinuses and the blocked nasal passages so you can start breathing easily. This may be due to the anti-inflammatory properties of ginseng. Other respiratory conditions that it can help cure are the following: asthma, cold, pneumonia, severe cough. It can generally make your immune system stronger. Aside from your respiratory system, you can expect that this can make your immune system stronger than usual. There are some people with strong immune systems who rarely get sick, and if this is your goal too, regular intake of ginseng tea will generally help you be healthy for longer periods of time. At the same time, you will not be too susceptible to germs and bacteria that may cause different diseases and health conditions. It can help get rid of chronic pain. It is normal to feel different types of pain from time to time. For example, you may have a headache after being exposed to both warm and cold temperature simultaneously. Stress can also cause some parts of your body to ache. When you are suffering from chronic pain, however, this can be harder and more complicated. You will find it hard to function because your joints are constantly aching due to arthritis. In order to reduce chronic pain, look for Siberian ginseng tea, as this is the most effective. The anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce the symptoms connected to it. It can help reduce the effects of undergoing radiation treatment. There are different effects that will manifest after undergoing radiation treatment. In order to reduce the effects, it is best to regularly take ginseng tea. This is again due to the ginsenosides found in ginseng tea. The ginsenosides can boost the immunity of the cells and make them stronger against radiation. It can be good for the skin so that the skin can be hydrated. Do you know what is the number one cause of dry skin? It is dehydration. If you do not consume too much water, or if you do not drink enough fluids, then you can expect that your skin will turn dry. Ginseng tea can help the moisture stay longer on your skin so that they will stay hydrated and fresh looking. At the same time, it can also help cleanse the skin from various impurities so that your skin will stay elastic. It can help by detoxifying the blood. The blood can help keep the body alive. When people lose too much blood, they may die from it, but people can also die by having poison blood coursing through their veins. Your main goal should be to detoxify your blood, and you may do this with the use of ginseng tea. As the pressure on your liver to clean your blood reduces, you get cleaner blood that can make your body healthier. It can be used in order to treat type 2 diabetes. You may not be aware that type 2 diabetes may suddenly occur when people do not pay much attention to living a healthy lifestyle. You will know if you have type 2 diabetes if you are overweight and if your blood sugar spikes up and stay up for a long period of time after eating. It is normal for your blood sugar to increase after eating, but as your body digests the food, your blood sugar should return to normal. If it does not, you may be suffering from this condition. In order to treat type 2 diabetes, you may consume about 2 to 3 cups of ginseng tea every day. It can be used in order to make your hair grow longer. A lot of women and sometimes even men dream of having long hair, but some women do not proceed with it because it can be a bit hard to maintain. For men who are balding, however, they would like to get their hands on hair growers that will keep the hair on their head longer. Ginseng tea is known to promote hair growth and can be used as an alternative supplement to all of the other hair growers that can be found in the market. It comes with some sexual benefits. There are some men who are suffering from sexual dysfunction because of different reasons. Some men are suffering from this because of feelings of stress, or it may also be due to other medical conditions. According to a study, 60% of the participants who are suffering from sexual problems were able to get an erection after taking in ginseng tea. This may be due to the antioxidant properties of ginseng tea that can help get rid of toxins that may be causing conditions related to erectile dysfunction. It can be good in helping you find relief from stress. One of the things that can eventually kill you is stress. Stress may be good depending on the levels of stress that you are experiencing every day, but if you are always stressed out and you are already feeling burned out because of it, you know that you have to distance yourself away from the stressful situation. Ginseng is known to decrease the level of stress and aging hormone called cortisol that is usually released by the body as it grows older. A few side effects. It is evident that ginseng tea comes with a lot of benefits, but you should be prepared that it may come with a few side effects as well, such as the following: hypoglycemia. This means that the blood sugar levels have decreased too much. Nervousness and insomnia. There are some people who are unable to sleep at night because of too much intake of ginseng tea. Increased blood pressure. This will all depend on the type of ginseng tea that you will choose. It is important that you will choose good quality ginseng tea in order to reduce the possibility of acquiring some side effects. Just to be sure about drinking ginseng tea, you may want to consult your doctor about it first. If you have some health or medical conditions that will alter the effect of ginseng tea on you, you can find other home remedies to try instead.